Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can mix match your custom makeup on Dress to Impress. So you can actually mix it with men's makeup. So I quite like the lips that they have, which is the ombre one. So I'm just going to quickly add in everything except for the lips. So if I want the male lips, the like masculine lips, I guess, I'm just going to go to the masculine instead of the feminine side and then press that. You can even use the stuff that they have here, but the one that I want to use is the one from the lip section. This is the ombre like lips that they have, and you can even use other like lips that they have here. This one's actually pretty cute for the for the feminine combo. And here is like the kind of ombre lip that you get. And I quite like it for like a sad pouty look. And that is pretty much how you can combine masculine with feminine makeup on Dress to Impress. You can use like any combo that you want, but this is like one of my like I guess favorite combo to use. And you can just save that in case you want to use it again. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!